What's up YouTube, Texas Railfriend 21 here, and I'm going to show you how to change the current whistle on the locomotive. Today I'm going to use Baldwin 210 number 90, Strasburg Railroad, and as you know, the whistle is not correct. If you want it prototypical, if you want to change it, there is a way to do that. So let me go ahead and exit and I'll show you how to change the whistle. Let me get rid of these small files. Okay. Go to Content Manager. Sometimes it takes a while for it to load because my computer is very old and it's very slow. Okay, you right click on the 210, go edit and contact creator, go to contact creator plus. As you can see, these are all the features of the locomotive, and you go to horn sound, click that. Let me zoom in so y'all can see those. It's very small to tell the options. There we go. And go down to Strasburg Strasburg 90 whistle. Click that. Click select, and then you go to File and Save. Exit that. Then you go Edit and Commit. Now let's see if it's in there. Yes, it's in there. Now that we know it's in there, we can go back to the rail yard on Trainz and see how it works, how it sounds. That's weird. Sorry about that. I didn't know what happened. That was kind of weird. I didn't know what that was. But anyway, let's see the results of Strasburg number 90. Go to 210 and there you go. Anyway, that's how you change the horn sound on a steam locomotive or diesel. I'm Texas Railfriend 21. Thanks for watching.